One of the most annoying daily tasks? Showering, right? Well, what if a machine did it for you? A Japanese company is bringing back the human washing machine. This futuristic machine washes, dries, and even measures your biodata. It adjusts water temperature and even detects how tired you are. It's set to debut at the Osaka Expo in 2025. And guess what? You can book a chance to try it out beforehand. In just 15 minutes, you'll be washed, dried, and ready to go. Could this be the future of hygiene? Would you use a human washing machine?